Teams can be classified in a number of ways, such as permanent or temporary, or functional or cross-functional. Let's take a look at the kinds of teams. However, studies indicate that the amount of autonomy possessed by a team is the key difference among teams. Autonomy is the degree to which workers have discretion, freedom, and independence to decide how and when to accomplish their jobs. The smallest amount of autonomy is found in traditional work groups, where two or more people work together to achieve a shared goal. In these groups, workers are responsible for doing the work or executing the task, but they do not have the direct responsibility or control over their work. Workers report to managers who are responsible for their performance and have the authority to hire and fire them, make job assignments, and control resources. Employee involvement teams, which have somewhat more autonomy, meet on company time on a weekly or monthly basis and provide advice or make suggestions to management concerning specific issues. Semi-autonomous work groups not only provide advice and suggestions to management, but also have the authority to make decisions and solve problems related to the major tasks required to produce a product or service. Semi-autonomous work groups generally receive information about budgets, work quality and performance, and competitors' products. Further, members of semi-autonomous work groups are typically cross-trained in a number of different skills and tasks. In short, semi-autonomous work groups give employees the authority to make decisions that are typically made by supervisors and managers. Self-managing teams are different from semi-autonomous work groups in that team members manage and control all of the major tasks directly related to production of a product or service without first getting approval from management. Self-designing teams have all the characteristics of self-managing teams, but they also control and change the design of the teams themselves, the tasks they do and when and how they do them, and the membership of the team itself. Companies are also increasingly using several other kinds of teams that can't easily be categorized in terms of autonomy: cross-functional teams, virtual teams, and project teams. Depending on how these teams are designed, they can either be low or high autonomy teams. Cross-functional teams are intentionally composed of employees from different functional areas of the organization. Because their members have different functional backgrounds, education, and experience, cross-functional teams usually attack problems from multiple perspectives and generate more ideas and alternative solutions, all of which are especially important when trying to innovate or solve problems creatively. Virtual teams are groups of geographically or organizationally dispersed workers who use a combination of telecommunications and information technologies to accomplish an organizational task. Project teams are created to complete specific one-time projects or tasks within a limited time. Project teams are often used to develop new products, significantly improve existing products, roll out new information systems, or build new factories or offices. The project team is typically led by a project manager who has overall responsibility for planning, staffing, and managing the team, which usually includes employees from different functional areas. Teams promote creativity, innovation, and flexibility in management.